Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to reduce transparency and blur on our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 phone. To turn our reduction on, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility options here, and in Visibility Enhancements, when we scroll a little bit down, we have Reduce Transparency and Blur. What does it do? We reduce visual effects on dialogues and menus to make them easier to see. We simply check this little box here, and now our option is turned on, and our transparency and blur will be severely reduced. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.